No, hello. You are there, no? So here, yesterday I said no. We can have example 30, 30 minus 30. Okay. So this one, no. What it means, no? 30 days ago, actually. So today is 28/7, no. So the files which is modified before 28 June. Okay, from 28 June until before any time. That is plus 30. Okay, so if you give only 30, right? So exactly 30 days. It means like last 30 days, which files modify last 30 days. Okay. This one, no, what it means, no, minus 30 means less than last 30 days. That's what it means actually. Okay. So plus means it's ago, and if you not giving any plus or minus means exactly that many days. So minus 30 means less than that 30 days. So it means like 28 June until today actually. So that's what it difference. So this one, no. So yesterday I don't know what's wrong with this actually. Yesterday I tried, okay, with the plus, like here you can see, plus 30, more than 30 days, right? 30 days ago. This one, no, yesterday it was giving the exact output. Now again, no, it's not giving. I don't know what's wrong. But you get to know what's the access time, what's the modification time. That one you can. I don't know. Even in Google, not getting any examples only. See, lot of things. No, I search with M time, A time examples, command examples in Unix, but nothing given with the find command to show you some examples. No, but it's not giving anything. Okay. And one more thing, date function. I said you about date function for you. It will give you the date, current date. Okay. So here, no, I said initially, this putty, this Unix OS when they install, no, so is as per their timing. So it's specific time. So it's showing the date. So only date if you give, it will give, or else you can give echo date also. Sorry, not echo date. Okay. So it will give the current date stamp. That's one important question also. Okay, they didn't give any examples only. Sorry, I am working in Flextronic Technologies. Yeah, yes, 100 days. Sorry. Ah, yeah, yeah, it's work from home as of now. Yeah. Means, if voluntary basis, we can go office actually if we want. Yeah, but it's not mandatory, So mostly we prefer home. Yeah. Okay. Might be syntax is the issue, I think. It's giving some good improvement. Because until you use the word count, no, you don't know how many. Okay, so it is working. The problem, what's the problem means like we are going to different websites now actually. So there, see this space is there, no, find dot few things, no, few websites they given hyphen then space. Okay, and like also after means before this numbers, no, like plus 100 means 100 days ago, right? So 100 means exactly 100 days, so there should not be space also. So this everything is matters actually. So now, no, without space in everything I have given and it's worked. You can see, the files which is modified exactly 20 days, last 20 days is one, and file which is modified which is like 20 days ago, right? It is showing total count as 96. Same thing, no, like a file which I have accessed 100 days ago, 0. You can see some difference, right, in the count. Previously it was showing 126 only for everything actually. You understood? Now I tried with access time, modified time, and I have given with the different numbers. Yeah, okay. So the thing is no syntax actually. So here even find dot okay, even better. That's what here, no, that is very important. What I can say in this Unix, no, this space, this hyphen, it's very critical actually. If you give like this, no, it won't work as expected. If you give like this, it won't work expected. So find then which directory path dot, or you can give the current directory path hyphen m time or a time, right? Like this you have to be. Okay, so this is one thing actually. So next thing, so the thing is there is no issue with the conclusion is no issue with m time or a time. So it is working, but the thing is we have to follow correct syntax actually. That is the thing actually. So even in the shell script, C also, okay, we will have compile error, run error, no, kind of thing actually. But this Unix, no, it's very difficult. You will write 100 lines file. So in one place, one thing, no, some quotation or some single quote is missing or something, no, entire script, it won't work. So no, it's very careful to write this scripting file. Now I want to tell you about the special variables actually. Okay. So in Unix, no, we have special variables actually. So normally we will use the like variables means nothing, no, like A to Z we will use. So how you will declare any variable, no, in C, int A equal to 5, int B is equal to like that, that's like normal variable, alphabetic variables, right? So here you will have some special variables. These are the special variables: $0, $n, these things. Okay, these are very important one. So yesterday in one file, one shell scripting example, you might shown, means I might shown you this one dollar question mark actually. So I will tell you what is this. So $0 is file name of the current script. So for example, I am writing one scripting file. Okay, so what it will do, like this, just simple one. So here, okay, this is exit status. Okay, not this one. Okay, so this is the correct one. So you have two echoes. So echoes will print as per the uh, thing, right? So first one, what it printed, just it printed hi. So why echo $0 it printed means, I said, this is the special variable. So $0 it will print name of the file itself actually. So this one, right, main.sh, that's the reason. Yeah, it print the name of the file. Yeah. So like this, the file name of current script, and $n is variable corresponds to the arguments with the script was invoked. N is the positive decimal number. So for example, it's kind of array, you think. Okay, so for example, you have like array, uh, okay, it is like this. So dollar, so this one, no, file name, no, for example, you created some r.test. So it print the name of the file script. Okay, you understood, no? So next is $1 means one, $2 is two. So it just print the arguments like $1, $2, $3. Okay, that's what it says. So this one, number of arguments applied, so this is 3. Okay, number of arguments applied to the script. Next one is dollar star, right? So what it will do, all the arguments are individually double quoted. If the script receives two arguments, dollar at, sorry, okay, sorry, this one. Okay, dollar star is all the arguments are double quoted. If the script receives two arguments, it is equivalent to $1, $2. So it should be like $1, $2, $3 in this case. Okay, so this is name of the file itself. So this one is argument 1, argument 2, like $3 is argument 3, and dollar hash, it prints total number of arguments supplied, that is 3. Dollar star means it will print all the arguments one by one. So $1 space $2, $3. And we have dollar at. So all the arguments are individually double quoted. If the script receives two arguments, it is equivalent to $1 space $2 actually. Okay, so this one, no, more or less looks like similar only. Okay, so in how it means like double quoted actually. So this one, no, dollar at means $1 individually, it's double quoted actually between this. Yeah, yeah. Because some requirements, no, in array we want to consider entire thing in one string kind of thing we will consider. So this dollar star will, sometimes we want to use 1 as separate, 2 as separate, 3 as separate, so individually double quoted. So that times this dollar at, then this is very important. So though you have this many things, no, in real time this one you will use. Okay, and this one no, name of the file script, and this one arguments what and all you passed, right? And these things and all you don't use actually. Mostly this one you will use, name of the file script and the argument passed. These three things you will use, and this is very important thing you will use actually. Exit status of the last command. So last command invoked. Okay, when you write any query, okay, some scripting, you want to know whether it's been executed correctly or not. So you need to use this dollar question mark to see the exit status. And this one no process number. Okay, so PID we discussed, no PS command, that process ID. So it will give the process number. And this one final one is dollar, this one, it will give process number of last background command. Okay, because I said this ampersand. So for example, you are running one command in background. Okay, that is the background command. Okay, so process number of the last background command it will give using this one. So main thing you should know, dollar question mark exit status, and the name of the file name of the current script is $0. These are very very important, and the other things we didn't come, means we didn't use much actually. Okay, so with these special variables they have written one scripting file. So special variables, right? So I am creating with like this special variables, insert. So how you want to execute? Yesterday I shown how to execute, because I have written and seeing the contents using cat. Now I want to execute. Okay, yeah. Okay, but the thing is now I can see it's executed, but I want to see the clear output actually. I don't want like this. Just echo high means I want output as high. I don't want echo high high like this. So what I can do? Because this is executed actually, but the thing is just it's got executed. You can't see the output, right? No. So you need to redirect to output file actually. Then only you can see the content. Now, where is that? Okay. So here, no, in the input file, the file name is spec underscore where.sh, no, and there is no parameters passed actually. Okay, so that's the reason these two things are there. And when you check the query, you can understand. So dollar at means what? So individually, like total arguments, no, it will put it in one. That is the one, right? Individually double quote is dollar at actually. So there is no arguments itself. So there is blank, and this dollar star is individually. Okay, okay, sorry, a little confused. So dollar at means individually double quoted, and this one is totally it will double quote. So anyway, in both the case we don't have any arguments. So that's the reason it's Yeah, correct. So in this case, no arguments is there. So both are blank. Total number of parameters is what? A dollar hash. So no arguments passed. So it's 0. Okay. And so what we created, right? Spic underscore. So you understood what I did now while executing? Yeah, I am passing the parameters. No. Yeah. So now along with this execution, I am passing some argument, my name, and I am redirecting to same. So yeah, content. Yeah. Hmm. And so this one, no, I said no, there is not much difference actually between this dollar hash dollar star, because it says double quoted, individually double quoted. Still, we can't see that one. Actually, it is individually double quoted, and this is totally double quoted. Like in you can't see it. It is like this actually, but it's not visible for you. Okay, but you can't see. So you end of the day you can say there is no difference between much difference between this one and this one. Okay, the main thing is name of the file and which parameters first, second, and number of parameters passed is 2. Okay, that's the thing. So let's try grep hyphen c count of characters a. Okay, in student dot text. So student dot text, let's open this one. So you can see a letter a is there. No, first line you have two a's, second line you have one a, and 3 4 5 you don't have any a's actually. So just if you run, why it's giving two means like how many lines actually. Okay, how many lines it have a, it's counted in that way actually. It's not mean like how many how many times a repeating. So how many lines have b. So here if you see b, no, only this third line have b, so it's given one. So this grep executed as expected. So it looks tricky, no, why it's 1 0 output. Exit status of the last executed command actually. So if it executed properly, so then it will give 0. Now you can see 0 and 1. Okay, so I will tell you. So you just look this one, grep hyphen c b student dot text. Okay, so using grep you will search for some string. So here you are looking for string b. Okay, so this is our file. So if you look, no, first line no letter b, second line no, in third line you can see yeah, so it's not printing number of b's, it's looking how many lines have b. So only this third line have b. So what it happened, so it should print one, right? I am not running, just I am telling you it should print one. And this one exit status of last running command. So you are running this one. So this student.txt is valid file, correct? It have some content b, and you are gripping number of b's, so it's given one. So it should give 0. If something is running successfully, it should give 0. If that command is not working properly, then it should give 1. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so this one, no, dollar question mark, it will give the status of last executed command. If it is okay, if you are running any command, no, you will get success or failure, right? Because thing is, you have this shell, right? What and all you execute, your Unix won't execute and give output. Correct? No, it should be valid command. No, so for example, if you are giving grep grape, will it work? No, right? Unix don't understand grape. Grep is the standard Unix command. So for everything you are running, no, it should give success or failure, right? So this echo question mark, sorry, echo dollar question mark, it give the status. Okay, success means 0 and failure means 1. It will give. Yeah, that's the reason it's give 1. So now let's try. So okay, first of all, it's not recognizing the command itself. Okay, first of all, you should give valid command. Okay, once if you give the valid command, then there should be some file which is existing actually. So now we try. This student.txt is valid file and it have some letter B, right? So it's counted total and it give the status as 0. This one you understood, no? Still doubt you have? It give the exit status of last executed command. So this is the valid file. Okay, and it have that content, so it gives 0. So then you take one. Sorry. Mm-hmm. No, I didn't get. Your voice is low. Yeah. No, 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 that's what I shown you, right? Success means 0, failure means 1. Always remember. Yeah, success is 0, failure is 1. Yeah. Okay, so this is just look in this en.txt. Why I created this empty file means to look few examples. That's the reason I created en.txt, and one or two files I created empty files. Okay, now same grep command you use. Okay, grep -c. Okay, and you are looking for letter B in en.txt. So en.txt is empty file. It's don't have any content. So this grep command is not executing as expected. So 0 1. Okay, you understood, no? Okay. So success is 0, failure is 1. So this is okay, not this one. Ash is star ash, right? Total number of arguments passed. Okay, number of arguments applied is this one. Sorry. That's what we created shell scripting files, no? Like I already said, no, like we use 100 lines or 50 lines, right? So we want to see whether it's been executed successfully or not. So that time you will put this dollar question mark to see the exit status of the last command. So if it shows 0, then you can understand, okay, everything is executed properly. If it shows 1, no, so your shell scripting is not working as expected. Some problem in the code actually. because you can write anything with grep, awk, cat, everything, right? But some logic should be there, right? Understood, no? If you give grepe, it says command not found. Unix don't understand grepe, but grep means it's understood, but still you have to give valid, right? Grep hyphen c b student dot text also you can give, and an dot text also you can give, but this is valid file, it's giving output. So this one waste of executing this one, right? No use of running this file because there is no content in that file. So in this file, if you use cat command, and if you are using any different commands, head hyphen n and all, no use, right? This is empty file. So that time dollar this question mark will give the status actually. So that's about this special variables. Okay. Okay, now we will see about the loops. So I write one loops for, okay, this is like what I can say, C program only. You can easily understand, no, what this program is about. Okay, sorry. Just I am printing 1 to 10. Just start with the like simple example. So it's like for loop. So you can write like this, but as I said, no, see how you will write. Include studio dot h, include conio dot h. You will write, no. So like that, no, basic format is like this. For bash shell, if you are using cone shell, no, you need to put ksh. So this is like standard format. Then you can write your logic actually. Okay, there should be always, no, any programming, no, you will have some head, right, and the variable declaration part, and you have the execution part, right? So as per that, no, you have to start with like this. Then you have to write your query on this. This one you understood, no, what it's done, this for loop. So that one is 1 to 10. Yeah. So instead of you putting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 something, right? Okay. Instead of you put like this, you are just putting double dots. Yeah. So 1, 2, 0 means that is not proper way. No. One, it should be like ascending order, right? So I have given descending order. So that's the reason it's printed just 1, 0. You got it, no? It should be in ascending order. 1 to 10 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 11 to 10 means it's not ascending order, right? It's just printed 11 and 10 like that actually. There is nothing in between, right? 11 to 10. It won't print 11, 10.5, 10.4, not decimals, right? Only integers it will print. Okay, that's the one. And yeah, so this is the one they have given. And okay, let's try this one. So what it will print? Any idea? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. But we have dollar, no, actually. Dollar will fetch the value, right? So you are telling echo bash version means it will print bash version, correct? No, we print like this. But echo bash version dollar, it is there, no. So dollar means it will fetch the value bash version. So I said you date, right? Dollar date means current timestamp, means current date stamp as per your timing in Unix OS, it will print. So same thing, no? Yeah, dollar bash version means what is your bash? This is bash, right? The shell what I am using, that bash version it will print in this third line. And this one you understand, no? Okay, till this echo what it will print. Hmm? How 11? Okay, okay, till at least this one, no? I removed that dot dot two because same example only we have seen before, no? No, how it is 11? So 0 to 10 is there, no? You are telling output should be like bash version, and on the bottom it will print like welcome 11 times. No, no, but I am not giving only 11, right? 0 to 10 means it's like a sequence of numbers is there, 0 to 10. So why we are using loop actually? Instead of that, I can directly assign some I equal to 11 and I can use echo and I can print 11 directly, right? Then why use of this for and while loops? Because the thing is 0 to 10 means actually what internally it means 0, 1, 2, 3 until 10, right? So you have given echo dollars I times. So you should get output like welcome 0 times, welcome 1 times, welcome 2 times until welcome 10 times you will get. Okay, you understood, no? Then you are saying 11 times, then there is no use of for loop, right? You can directly write like I, what is it? I equal to 11, something like that. And like this also, you can write. Yes, yes, yeah. So this one, no, some assignment should be there actually. Means we have to follow that assignment operator. Then it will take value of I is 11. Okay, then you can print welcome 11 times like that. But when you are using for loop, no, then you need to print the sequence of numbers. Okay. Yeah. So after two dots means, okay, so this one multiples of 2, so it will 0 to 10 you will have 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? So in that it will print multiples of 2. Yeah, so if I give 5, what output I will get? Okay, okay, and 15 means exactly correct, because no, it's not multiple, right? That's the reason. 5 means you can see multiples of like 10 divided by you can understand, no, multiples of 5. This 15 means it's actually exceeded actually. So that's the reason, no, just it put only 0 times. Okay, and this is the bash version. You can see bash version is 5.0.17. You just mm, so just you remember, no, if they ask in case like which version, no, bash underscore version is the command echo dollar bash version, bash underscore version, it will give the version of the bash shell. Yes, 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 yeah. So bash version it given, and date, no, but as I said, no, for everything is format is there actually. So if you give echo date, no, it just printed date. You have to use this single quote kind of thing. Okay, then it will give the current date. Same bash version also, it should be like this. So if you are not giving, simply it's printed bash version like this. Okay, by practice you get to know where to use dollar and where to use this single quotes and all. Okay. So this one, no, almost like same only, but here we are using the sequence actually. Sequence again, same meaning, no. Sequence like how you are using 1 dot 10. So it will print 1 2 3 until 10. So this sequence also almost like same thing only. So what it has done means 1 to 20 you have to print, okay, with interval of 2. Actually it's little confusing. By practice you can remember actually. So how in this one, right, 1 dot 10 dot 5. So it's printed 5 and 10, no, 5 and 10 it's printed. So that's the different logic. But when you're using sequence means it will mm, ending, yeah, starting and ending, this is intervals. So if you are giving 3 means 1. No, 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 wrong, wrong. Think no, and tell the output, no. Uh-huh. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. 13, and then what it will print? Uh-huh. Okay. Then will it print 20 also? Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is like starting and ending. Okay. So doesn't mean like it should have 1 and 20. Okay. Starting it will take 1. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. True. Yeah. Okay. 1 second. So this one we can use code all the things. So this one, no, proper for loop. C, you have idea, no? C language. C is an equal to 10. C plus plus do done. So for means for and condition do and done. So echo uh, C equal to 0. Okay, okay. Okay. Because I given C is greater than equal to 10, no? That's the reason it's not printed actually. So it will take from 0 to 10, right? It's incrementing operator. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is like what and all, it's within double quote, no, it will print as it is. Welcome to India. Okay, but dollar $C means it will take the value from this loop. Any doubt? Hello? Yes, yes, yeah. For loop syntax is like that. For and yes, yes, it will go to done. So here, same thing, no? Initially I write with no output you will get. So C equal to 0, C is greater than equal to 100, no, right? So it fails actually. No, no, it's up to us. So you can mention it's up to our logic, no? Output failed. Now you means your doubt got cleared. So C equal to 0, C is greater than equal to 100. So this loop got failed. So it came out, output failed. Correct. If you give like this, no, it C is 0, less than equal to 100. So it will print from 0 to 100. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 1 second. Yeah, 0, 0 is less than equal. Okay, 100. Okay, so it starts with 0 and until 100 it will print. Okay, okay. So the thing is, no, it's getting filled. So if it is 101, then it will come out, right? Yeah. C start with 0. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 100 is fine. If it is 101, right? 101 is not less than equal to 100. So it will come anyway out, right? So this is loop statement, right? So it started with 0. No, this is the condition you are giving, right? So loop means thing is 0 until it will continue for infinity also. Just this is the condition you are mentioning. So C is 0 means 0 to infinity. So 0, 1, 2, 3 until 100. You got output like welcome to India 100. Yeah. So now it's crossed more than 100. So this do loop condition got failed. So it came out and it printed output failed actually. That is the use of loop actually. Uh-huh. 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 You won't get both. Okay, okay, okay. So this one also we can write some logic actually. Instead of no for do and done, instead of giving echo directly, I can write some logic actually. Again, I can write if loop kind of thing. Yeah, if C is greater than 100. So it depends on the logic simply. So now no for loop we have do and done. So within this one, like in between, no, I have included if actually. So directly c equal to 0 means it's printed until 100, right? If c is greater than 100, then it's printed output failed actually. So here no, it's not printed actually, output failed. So you said no, success and failure you don't want both to be done. So end no, so do and done, if and fi. C also you will get no. So this is a closing thing. Do how it will close with done, like that. The fi, yes. So this one completes if loop, this one completes do, like that. So it's upon the logic actually, you know. So if they are asking no, just I want to see the output 0 to 100, like this actually, and the output failed, because this is what you want, no, you don't want the failure output also. Or else if you want both means you just put outside, so that output failed also it will give. If it is more than 100, no, you will get output failed. But this one not looks correct, no, because you are getting both success output as well as failure output. Okay, and okay, so this is about functions. Tomorrow we will see. Okay, function. We will have a concept of a function also. How you in see, you know, you will write functions. Same here. So we can write